up, everybody? Welcome back. Another episode of Diving and Catch and Cook out here on the North Shore. And let's see what we can get. So right here is the first drop of the day. Just warming up my lungs and trying to see what's out there. As you can see, the water is a little bit dirty, but still just enough visibility. Right here I'm taking a drop. We find this nice little Apache hole, and it's one of my favorite fun fish to shoot with a 3-prong. And right there I'm just lining up. Right there I got a nice shot on a pretty good size Apache. Partner right here ends up shooting this nice size Kaale, which he ends up giving to me at the end of the dive, and I'm gonna do a little simple grill up, catch and cook. Right there he fumbles his shot taking it out. Dropping down on another Apache, and they're way in the back of the hole, and I'm just trying to pick out my shot. And I think right here I hit one and he tears off. So right here I'm reloading, trying to see if I can shoot another one, and end up missing. So I go back up for some more air and try again. On this dive right here, my partner, he ends up calling out to me and he's like, under this rock there's Apache, there's big Apache. So I take a drop, slowly coming down, and my eyes are just adjusting to the darkness, and right over here there's this big moray. It comes out rushing. I get a little freaked out, panic a bit, and think to myself, nah, you're good, bro, I'll leave you alone. On this drop right here, I spot this nice fry-sized Papio. He's just over the rock, just hanging out. I think he's like looking for food or something. And I try to come down with my 3-prong, and he ends up going underneath the rock. And I thought he was gonna come out and give me a shot, but take a shot right here. It's definitely not the Papio. When I turn around over here, I see him swimming off. taking a drop on a munu. It's a goldfish, and he's a perfect pan fry size. I'm just looking in the back real quick, just trying to see if there's anything else I can shoot, like a ulu. So I'm just slowly right now waiting for that shot. He gets a little too close there and then starts hugging up on the rocks. So I'm not worried. I know he's curious. He's gonna come back around. I didn't spook any of the fish, and I'm just gonna wait for that good shot. So I take it right there, end up stringing the fish. And as I'm coming over the reef, I can see I made a little whoopsie. There was a manini behind the joel, and ended up hitting that fish as well. Dropping on Roy. I end up seeing him at the top, big size Roy, and he kind of gets a little too under the reef where I can't take that shot. So I slowly drop down and I get distracted by his collar right here. I almost took one, and then yeah, as I turn, I see all these mapachis just kind of swimming in and out, and I go back up to the surface to get my 3-prong. I'm dropping down right now with my 3-prong on that same hole that I seen all those mapachis in, and I think to myself, okay, I'm gonna stick around over here and shoot a few of these guys. Get a nice shot on down right there. So as I head back up to the surface, I end up getting called by my partners, and they end up telling me, hey, there's some moves. There's some moves a little bit further down. So I get my gun and I try to take a drop on those moves. Yeah, the moves on that side, they're a little bit smart. They end up out of range, and unfortunately I don't end up taking a shot. They're a little too far out. I end up resurfacing, and that pretty much ends the dive. The moves don't come back, and I don't get another chance to drop on them. For the most part, we come out with some pretty nice fish. Got that nice Kaale. My partner shot, ends up giving it to me, and gonna grill that up. Nice Papio for the fryer. And I ended up shooting some Apache and a nice Joe Louis, which I was gonna fry, but my wife ended up wanting to steam it with some veggies and all that good stuff. As always, thanks for checking out the video. I hope everyone is doing well, being well, staying safe. And until next time.